welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this Megalook wig that I got from Amazon. These are all the little goodies that they sent to me. Obviously a wig cap, the melting band, and this really nice clip that I didn't use in this video. And y'all, I absolutely love this wig, okay? It is so thick, so juicy. It is constructed very, very well. And the band is super secure, y'all. You can really just put this on and go. Okay, this is their 6x5 pre-cut everything, and it is so good. So I start off by putting my wig cap on. I wanted to try this right out the box to see how it will look, and y'all gonna see my reaction in a little bit. At this moment when I realized a new character has been unlocked, y'all, I'm just like, okay, I wasn't sure if I would like a 10-inch bob, but it just flows so well, y'all, and I know that once I get it together for real, it will slay. So as you can see, I'm putting on foundation on my wig cap that they sent me, and I also put it on the unit itself to kind of blend it a bit more with my skin. And y'all, I just knew for sure this wig is gonna be my wig of the summertime, okay? I absolutely love this wig, and I can't stress that enough. For sure, y'all, once I lay this, I knew that the lace was gonna disappear because I couldn't find it. Granted, I don't have my glasses on, so I can't really see, but in person, it really was not as clockable. So I'm just putting on more foundation, and I realized, okay, girl, you gotta get it together. And listen, it blended in seamlessly. Look at that, y'all. It looks like it's going from my scalp. I'm telling y'all, make sure y'all get this wig, okay? If you want a cute little bob for the summertime and you want to protect your hair and it's growing out of your scalp, get this, okay? Thank you so much to Megalook, and yeah, see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye.